Okay guys, so this video is on how to remove a tire with using just simple shop tools. You might not have pry bars, tire machine, things like that, and you just have very simple shop tools. I'm going to show you how to remove the tire off the rim, okay? So keep in mind, this is for scrap tires. This is if you want to take the tire off the rim, but you're not going to be saving the tire, okay? We're going to be destroying the tire to get it off. So if that's not what you're after here, then this method is not for you. Okay, so we have a few simple steps. Here is our tire on the rim. So we just want the rim, we don't want the tire. This is how we're going to do it, using three simple tools. The first tool that we're going to need is a drill. So there's our drill, and we want to poke a hole. Just like that. The second tool is a skill saw. Very simple. Most shops have it. Now we want to cut around. So we go in that hole that we drilled. And we just cut around. Broke the blade. So you can see I've cut about half the tire with the saw. If you don't have a skill saw, you can also use an X-Acto knife. But you have to be careful, and you have to cut in nice, swift motions. You want to keep going in the same cut, and you don't want to push too hard because this is a really thick tire, so you'll keep breaking the blade if you push hard. You kind of let the knife do the work. So that's another option. So you take the knife, and you go a bit at a time. And you want to just slice nice and easy. Stay towards the middle, because it's not as thick in the middle. And that's it. This side is all cut. And we do the other side. Put our drill hole. Okay, so we sliced it around both sides. Now, we remove this part from the rim. And this is what we're left with. Now we just have to remove this. but there is a metal band right at the edge. So we have to cut that. Okay. Cut a groove, and then the rest I will slice with the chop grinder. And you can feel it when you cut the metal band. And that strip comes right off. And we just do the same thing for the other side. Okay, last strip off. Now, take the tire pressure sensors off. And we'll save these. Okay, so now this rim is ready to be scrapped. The purpose of this video is to show you how to remove tires if you want to dispose of just the rim, because most places won't accept the tire with it. And when you get rid of the aluminum rims, you can get decent money for it. Locally in my area right now, it's about 90 cents Canadian per 1 pound of weight. So that's not bad. That means about 2 sets of rims, roughly 16, 17 inches, 2 sets, in bare raw material alone will bring in approximately $150 to $160 of Canadian dollars of cash just for raw material. So if you have a ton of them sitting around and you want to get rid of it and go cash in, this is one way to do it if you don't have like a lot of tools sitting around. Literally, you can just use an X-Acto knife, a drill to start the pilot hole, and a grinder just to break that little band, because I'll show you what I'm talking about, why we use the grinding disc. If you look inside the rubber here, you see the metal? See that metal there? So the X-Acto knife is not able to cut that metal. That's why at the very end we need to use the grinder just to get rid of that, and then it just pops off. Literally, I was taking my time to do this on camera for you guys. I can do a rim in about 2-3 minutes, no problem, which isn't bad if you just want to work with simple hand tools. Of course, there's a lot easier ways to do this, but this is just to help the people out who don't have much tools, and there it is. Take care, till next time. Okay, so I dropped off 5 wheels, okay, 5 of them, and here is my little receipt that they gave me. And this machine here is going to dispense the cash. So 5 wheels, let's see how much cash I'm going to get. $100.